Hey everyone, let's talk about the common problem. Are you tired of trying to monetize all your social media traffic from Facebook, TikTok and Instagram? What if you could use one simple link to start earning no matter where your followers are from? Well, this is what we are here to dive into. I am going to be showing you how to get this link and how to set it up in under 5 minutes. I urge you to stick around because I will be right back. Welcome back. This is Elisha from Earning Elite Apps. If you haven't yet followed me, especially if you're watching from TikTok or Facebook, you had better do so that you don't miss on anything. If you're watching me from YouTube, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Without any further ado, let's take a ride. Okay, so what's on the tables for discussion today is actually for anybody who's driving traffic from Facebook, from Twitter, which we call X today, from Instagram. The solution is called SmartLink from Monetag. Think of it as a magic link that sends your traffic or your followers to the special page where there's a special offer for their location. Now, you might be wondering, why Monetag? There are a few key reasons. They've been around for so many years and they work with thousands of global advertisers. The question is, what does that mean for you? It means you get competitive payouts, ads for users in any country, and fast payments that start from as low as $5. Getting started is straightforward. Simply register on their publisher platform. And a quick but very important tip, make sure that you make use of your real details. If you're punching in your name, make sure you make use of your real name so that it will be much easier for you to withdraw your earnings. After signing up, you will be able to find your smart link in the dashboard. This is your key to monetization. So what do you do with this link? Well, it's pretty simple. You can place it on your blog, your website, or a landing page. You can add it to your posts on Facebook, TikTok, or X. A great strategy is to recommend an article and place this link on a button inside it. Your user clicks that link and gets redirected to a relevant ad. You earn money. It's that simple. Okay, so it's not only that, they also have a referral program where you can earn a 5% commission from anyone who signs up using your link. Let me go practical so that I show you how we do this step by step, little by little. So first things first, for you to land on the correct website, I've actually planted the link in the description section. Just go ahead and click it, and this is the page that you're going to find yourself on. So you will need to sign up, it being your first time. So let me click sign up so that you see what you're likely to see. So this is what you're going to see. The next thing that you need to do is you click here where it reads create account with email. So here you will need to punch in your credentials. Are you an individual or a company? So go by company, punch in your first name, punch in your last name. Make sure that you make use of your original names so that you don't face any challenges when that time comes for you to withdraw money from this site. Punch in the email address, then select the country of residence here by clicking the drop down menu, and then you click here where it reads messenger. Okay, then you punch in your phone number here and then you hit continue. Okay, so the sign up process is pretty easy. You simply have to follow through and everything will fall in place. Now, how do you access the link? So let me take you there. Okay, so I've done everything and I'm in. The question is, how do you source that link we are talking of, which is called the direct link, which is the smart link? So what you do is you click here where it reads direct link, and then you click here where it reads create new. And then you go by this one here. You see this one? Social traffic. Monetize your social media posts, reels, shorts, TikToks, and other content with our direct links. So just click get. Boom. So it has been created. So what you do now is you come back here. You see that of all those that I had in the first place, a few more have been added. You can now copy the link and then head on to Facebook, head on to TikTok, head on to YouTube. When you post whatever content you're gonna post, be it a video, be it a picture, you have to plant that link there so that when people click that video, that post that you have actually made, an ad will pop up and it will offer them what is appropriate to them, and in return you end up earning. So let me head on to Facebook. So here we are on Facebook. So I'm gonna upload the picture and then go by this one here. Okay, then I'm gonna type something like monetize. Monetize your traffic. Monetize your traffic. Then underneath, I'm gonna plant in the link. You've seen that? And then I'm gonna post this. Enable remixing. And then hit post. And boom, it has actually been posted just like that. So you just have to sit back and begin to watch your earnings grow on Monetag. That's how simple it is. So to wrap it up, if you're ready to stop leaving money on the table and start converting your social traffic into real income, the answer is to register on Monetag. Just remember, the goal is to use that SmartLink and put that SmartLink to work to unlock earnings from your entire audience.